Guys, it's me. The weirdest thing happened. It asked me this quick question that if I found it out in 3 seconds, I would win. Like, I have a highly intelligent mind, but I don't. It's on the top left side, and I found it on 2 seconds.
You have an average brain, which is not so bad either. But if it took you more than 3 minutes, then we're sorry, but you have to do something about it.
Yeah.
Here, you can practice on it. Find a penguin on this picture.
Okay.
Done? Then let's move on. Ready for some tricky questions? Can a man marry his widow's sister?
No.
Yes. The answer is no.
Oh, come on!
Because it doesn't make any sense. If a man has a widow, then he is dead, and therefore cannot marry anyone. Next riddle. Mary's mum has 4 daughters, Lala, Lele, Lily, and if you said Lulu or Lolo, you are so wrong, because the one that's missing is Mary. Oh, don't get upset. This is a common mistake, since our brain is trained to look for patterns everywhere. And a classic trick question. How many animals of each species were there in the Moses Ark? If you said 2, or in fact any other number, then you are in the wrong, because Moses never built an ark. It was Noah who did it. Now, a geography question. Before Mount Everest was discovered, what was the highest mountain on Earth? Mount Everest was still the highest mountain, it just hadn't been discovered. And the last one. 3 frogs were sitting on the pond coast. One of them decided to jump into the water. How many frogs were left sitting?
Here's like the crazy part. Decided to jump in it. Decided. It's not the same as doing it. So that means he didn't do it yet. He never did it. He decided he wanted to, but he never did it actually.
If your answer is 2, then you are wrong again. There are still 3 frogs sitting on the coast, because deciding to jump is not the same thing as actually jumping. So, now that you know all the answers, you can mock your friends. And in the end, I want to give you some homework. Have you ever heard about Sudoku? If you haven't, then I'll explain. It's a Japanese puzzle, a kind of crossword but with numbers. So in 2012, Finnish mathematician Arto Inkala claimed that he had invented the hardest Sudoku ever. According to The Telegraph, on the difficulty scale by which most Sudoku grids are graded, with 1 star signifying the simplest and 5 stars the hardest, this puzzle would score an 11. Can you crack it? Copy it on a piece of paper and try. Let's see how much time it'll take you. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks, and we'll be right back to you as fast as we can.
Guys, see you guys later.